Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to download and install Kaspersky antivirus for free. And as you can see right here, I have a 30-day trial remaining. So in order to have an infinite trial happening, what you do is you open Cav Remover. Cav opens up, you click accept. I'm gonna have a link in the description for this program. And now we select the current antivirus that we have installed, which is Kaspersky Security 2019. We type in the CAPTCHA. Real quick. After we're done typing this, we go ahead and hit remove, and now we just wait for Kaspersky Remover to uninstall the antivirus. Alright, now, once Kaspersky is almost fully removed, don't reboot your computer yet, just hit OK. So now what you do is you hit Windows plus R key, and then you type regedit into the run menu. After that, you go into local machine, you go into software, scroll down, go into Microsoft, and then look for the folder called System Certificates, and then find the folder called SBC. Right click on it, hit delete, hit yes, and now we fully uninstalled Kaspersky Total Security. You would ask, why would we delete the SBC folder? Well, if you try to install the trial again, it will tell you that you already had another trial on your computer before, and the information about the previous trial was kept in the SBC folder. And since we deleted it, we can now go ahead and restart our computer. Once you have restarted your computer, go ahead and open your browser, type Kaspersky Total Security 2019 trial, hit enter, and look for the first link or second link, open it, scroll down, hit download now, type a random name, a random last name, and whatever email you use, hit download. Once your trial is downloaded, open it, hit continue. Alright, once it's done connecting to the servers, hit continue. You don't have to check this one. Click install. And now we wait for the downloading. Alright, once Kaspersky is done downloading, you can go ahead and enable the extension for your browser if you want to. You don't have to take the tour, but I would recommend leaving these on. Hit apply. Once you're done with the installation, just go ahead and restart your computer, and I'll be right back. So after you restart your computer again, as you can see, if you open your drop-down menu, you have Kaspersky installed, and you have the 30-day trial remaining again. The only downside to this process is that you have to repeat all the steps over and over again at the end of each trial. Other than that, you just have an infinite Kaspersky Total Security protection for your computer. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, I'll try to answer them in the comments. Goodbye.